Hello, my name is Naomi, and today I'll be discussing why Json is a popular format. So, JS JSON is a JavaScript object notation that means that it is related to JavaScript, and it is also a notation for objects in data structures. It is basically an open source standard file format that uses human readable text to store and transmit data objects. Computer science industry is considering it a replacement for XML in certain applications. First specified by Crockford in early 2000 and standardized in 2013, JSON is now used in diversified fields. As the need for real-time server-to-browser communication grew, JSON quickly became popular use of choice because it utilized JavaScript, which is already an object-oriented approach to managing and communicating data. So the JavaScript object notation has been adopted by all big players like Google, Facebook, and Twitter. And the reason for the adoption is the fact that it is extremely lightweight to send back and forth in HTTP requests and responses due to the small file size. It is also easier to read as compared to other scripts like XML. It also has less opening and closing tags, thereby meaning efficiency. Almost every major language now has some form of library or built-in functionality to incorporate JSON. It has actually now become de facto standard for sending data between browsers, web servers, and mobile applications. Another reason for vast adoption and popularity of JSON is that its design is simple. Simplicity helps in increasing efficiency. So it is thus easy to understand and easy to manipulate in the programming language of one's choice. Parsing speeds, which is the processing output in terms of data input, is very high, thereby increasing the cycles per byte input. As a result of this, fast communication also makes it a popular choice. An example of one such public data source that uses JSON is the local weather archive available, and this can be available on data.gov. Like if you go to the link data.gov, it is a free data for pulling weather information as collected at Raleigh Durham International Airport in the JSON format. The link is uh, the link is data.gov. And that's all for this week. Thank you.